if you want to iterate through your list, for example, you can iterate for I in my list, then let's print I. So if we print this, so we get all there, we iterate through our list. Also, if you want to check if an item is inside your list, you can do this by write if example, say banana is in my list. Just skip a step here, in my list, then we can print let's say true. It's not true. Okay, so let's see what happens. Good, so it's true. It means that our banana exists in our list. Let's try for an element that doesn't exist. Let's say cherry. Okay, it doesn't print.